This is Vicki from the Windows Club. If you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070012 on your system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to Troubleshoot and click on it. On the next page, select Other Troubleshooters. Now, search for the Windows Update troubleshooter in the list and click on Run corresponding to it. The second solution is to reset Windows Update components. This has been explained over a separate article and video. The third solution is to repair Windows Update components using the DISM tool. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar and select Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated Command Prompt window. Now go to Solution 3 of the original article and copy the DISM Restore Health command from the solution. Paste it to the elevated Command Prompt window and hit Enter to invoke the DISM command. Reboot the system once the scan has completed. Lastly, you can consider manually installing the latest Windows Update on your system. Go to catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search bar, search for the KB number of the update you wish to download. Hit Enter to check the list of updates. Download the desired file and install it on your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.